Yo, alright guys, so we have an F-150 in today. We're putting on the HF6-2, the bronze one's over there. Dude, it's gonna look pretty cool. You can't ever go wrong with bronze and black, you know? So this is gonna be a really cool setup. I'm excited for this one.
The year is 1966. Ford is preparing for Le Mans against Ferrari. Step one of this transition. Lightweight wheels and tires. The year is 1966. Ford is preparing to beat Ferrari. This Ford?
Alright guys, look what we have done. Have we created something amazing or what?
I like it. It's clean, not too over the top.
You can't go wrong with bronze, guys. Look at that color. Look how it pops in the sun. Vossen wheels HF6-2 and satin bronze. Look at this. It has a pretty classy feel to it. Probably because like the truck is mainly stock, you know? So it still kind of keeps like that OEM vibe to it, but the wheels obviously just make it look so much better. I'll show you guys the flush fitment so you guys can see, and the concavity as well so you have an idea. So it looks really good. I'm really happy with how this came out. You don't always have to lift your truck and put on big bumpers and all that stuff. You can go for that lifted off-road look. Something like this, clean and classy, something you can daily drive easy without any issues. I mean, like, it's a win-win.